Hello, it's Dan Mason again with The Quarantine of Taiwan, a global shockwave. High-level overview of China unilaterally quarantining Taiwan. What this means. Why it matters globally. Scenario mapping. What would a full quarantine look like? Blockade logistics, naval deployments in the Taiwan Strait, restricted air, sea zones, key geography and choke points, approximate deployment of PLA vessels, aircraft, missile batteries, drones, etc. Timeline phases, warning, soft blockade, hard blockade, complete shutdown, immediate international response, United States, Taiwan Relations Act, forward deployment of naval assets, e.g. U.S. 7th Fleet carriers, potential military support scenarios, and risk of escalation. Japan, Air Self-Defense Force alert status, maritime surveillance, coordination with U.S. forces. Australia, focus on intelligence support, naval task groups, supply chain backup, e.g. semiconductor material shipments. Philippines, South China Sea implications, potential transit denial scenarios, diplomatic alignment with U.S.-Japan. Global semiconductor ecosystem at risk. Taiwan's dominance, TSMC and UMC, produce more 60% of all chips, so 90% of the most advanced ones. Modeling supply disruption. RAND tabletop shows worst-case near-total supply collapse, dire economic ripple. Global downstream effects, auto industry, consumer electronics, AI data centers, estimated U.S. GDP impact up to 8%, 1.6T. Onshoring and diversification push. Details on TSMC's $165 billion U.S. investment in 5 fabs, Japanese, German expansions. Analysis of chips incentives versus rent-seeking critiques. Workforce and automation challenges. Expert commentary, geopolitical analysts from CSIS, RAND, Atlantic Council, risk assessments, policy recommendations, tech, economic voices, e.g. Lisa Su, Howard Lutnick, implications of supply chain disruptions and onshoring, Chinese government spokespeople or state media positions, from recent reporting, wider global ramifications, G7 sanctions toolbox, China's countermeasures, rare earth or energy weaponization, impact on allies' tech sectors, SK Hynix, Samsung, Europe, long-term strategic outlook balance of power, does a silicon shield deter or provoke? Risks of Chinese overreach, potential policy charts, Taiwan defense, regional alliances, supply chain resilience strategies, conclusion and recommendations. What Taiwan, U.S., allies, and industry must do. Reader takeaway, how policy, investment, and deterrence intertwine. Please like and subscribe to learn more.